Below these videos, I'm going to demonstrate how to use discussion tags. So, um, as I mentioned or demonstrated previously in the previous videos, there are three levels of making collaboration or communication online using the Garun knowledge base. The first one is to use just a comment. Say I have something to say. I would have to add my name in this. This is go something, right? Then this is the use case for comment. Now, if you want to, if you someone else say read this comment and say that they want to make some kind of conversation out of this, which means that they want to have more than one comment per block. Then first you would go conversation first, and then they go into comment, and then they probably add their name into it. Trey, David, okay, something else. Now say there are once we start like keep communicating with this, right, we start seeing that this topic is important to be kind of like to have a page of its own. Then we're going to move this into a different text or discussion. Hello, discussion. So what discussion do is then you have to do that, okay, who initiate the discussion? Say I'm the one who initiated the discussion, and then what is the discussion about? I would have to say, okay, discussion, this demonstration, then I go in this, and then I use the discussion tags, which is this. Then I go to start the conversation here, and then basically paste the conversation there previously. And right now, then if you're in a certain page, something, if you say you're in this page, and now you want to basically, this is for a demonstration of something else. So then I want to just referring to one discussion that we have to say, I discuss about this point here in just take a look and express your opinion. Something like that. Say I have a comment someplace. Okay. So when that person read about this, then you go with the use basically how to use the comment tag. So the person who read this um, can decide to whether or not to delete it, or he or she wants to still think that this is a valuable link to stay. So let's say I think this is just for me, and I think there's nothing else to be discussed here. Go here, and then I read here, and okay, I have some comments here, and I want to Jacko, I agree, so on. And the whole point of the discussion text is to kind of have it in the record. which means that we're not going to use it in we're not going to simply delete this. We always want it to stay. And that's going to be another demonstration of discussion tags. Thank you.